Hey, what's going on, you guys? Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, so before I get started with the upcoming mints, I do want to let you guys know the mints that are releasing tomorrow. First one we do have is Little Degen Ape Club. The roadmap's straightforward. Let me show you here. Staking coming out, DAO, Serum Airdrop, Merch Store, and Into the Metaverse. They're releasing tomorrow for a mint price of 1 SOL. I am going to mint since I am in the white list. But go ahead, you guys, check it out. And as always, do your own research. Then I do have a slept on project that I am minting as well. Mint price is low, supply is low. That's always great to see. It's Omens of Olympus. Let me show you some of their art here. Art team's kind of cool. So right now their whitelist is full from what I know. And I actually heard of this project because of some DAOs I'm in. I do not want to say which ones I'm in because then they'll be mad that I'm posting this video. All right, so you can always get their whitelist token actually on Famous Fox. So if you guys don't know what Famous Fox Federation is, it's you could pretty much buy whitelist tokens from here. But right now they are pretty pricey. They're pretty high. Omens of Olympus. I wonder why. You see they already got some posted here, 0.8, 0.8. But go ahead, do your own research on this. Ask around. If you're in any DAOs, ask around Omens of Olympus. Check it out. I'll be minting this just because I am whitelisted and just because the supply is low. And of course, the information I got from the DAO. Any other plays? I mean, Doug Patrol's at a pretty low price. They actually went up today. I don't see much activity though. 2.1, yeah, they went up all the way to like 2.5 floor price today. And yesterday they were at 1.6. I should have bought in at 1.6, but I didn't. Oh, well, you know, you live and learn. And other projects that came out, I know Dark Terminal finally released, and they're actually above their mint price, 1.40. So if you did mint Dark Terminal and you're still holding, I'll still hold as well. The one reason I'll still hold is because the game's not even out yet. It's going to release in a week or so. And also Social Sauna Club also released today. They had a crazy volume for today. Floor price is 0.79. I don't like seeing this. I don't like seeing when almost 50% of the supply is on Magic Eden. Supposedly they're gonna come out with a roadmap right now. Devs are making the roadmap. Hopefully we'll see an announcement coming soon. But let's go ahead and get started with the main project here, and it is Crypto Strav. Check that out. I love the website, crazy website. All right, first thing, I can't even scroll. Intro. So what is Crypto Straps? They're going to wage war on traditional finance. Their main focus is offering a fresh new perspective on Solana NFTs. This project is focused on building infrastructure while offering passive income tools, staking, and much more. So one thing I like about their staking, and they are releasing, let me show you guys here. They're releasing February 28th. Supply is 6K. Currently, they don't have a mint price. As you see, I even asked. They said no clue. But let me show you some teasers as well. Dope art. I'm telling you guys. Go ahead, check it out. And as always, do your own research. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it and join my Discord as well, where I do some alpha calls on there as well. Some of them have hit. I'll be making an Excel sheet coming up so I can show you guys what projects are hitting. And you guys could believe me. All right. So you guys take care and I'll see you later. Peace.